This is the unboxing and assembly of our Champion generator that we purchased from Costco. It has 9,000 starting watts, 7,000 running watts. Now when we open this, you see we have the generator, we have the user manual, warranty information in the bag, and then in the box you see we have is the tire kit and accessories. First we're going to pull out the box with all the accessories and open that up. In the box you can see we have oil, there's a funnel, the tires are in here which are pretty hefty, and you have your hardware along with the support leg. And here's your first look at the remote that comes with the generator. The generator is pretty heavy, so we laid it carefully on its side and pulled the generator out, and also with hopes of using the sturdy box as a cover to protect the generator when it's not in use. Just ripping off the plastic and to give you a better look at the generator. Along with the materials, you receive a very easy to use quick start guide to walk you through getting everything set up, along with your user manual and warranty information. Now you may want to find something to prop up the generator when you put the wheels on. In this case we just put a 50-pound bag of corn underneath to raise it up while we install the tire. Once the tires are installed, it's time to install the support leg. Next step is to add the oil that came with your generator. Next, you just attach the leads to the battery terminal. You'll now want to fill the tank up with gas and take it out to a level area outdoors to test out the generator. Turn the battery to the on position. Turn the fuel valve to on. And then press the start button. Now you can either use the start button, you can use the remote, or you can use the pull cord to start this. So I plugged in a drill as well as a fan just to see how it does. Here we'll test out stopping the generator with the remote. And here we'll test out using the remote to start the generator. And note that when you click the start button, the generator will automatically try 6 attempts to start the generator, so you don't want to keep on clicking. And Remember to turn both the battery off and the fuel valve off after you're done using the generator. One thing we noticed on our generator, as you can see on the upper left bolt, was not tightened at all, and so it was vibrating quite a bit. And when I tried to tighten it, it busted right off. So it's time to call Champion.